Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening QuickNote immediately. Don't linger in settings. Swipe from the bottom right corner or tap the QuickNote control in Control Center to create one. Once it opens, tap the title area to name the note so you can find it later. Make sure Notes is using iCloud. That lets your QuickNotes sync across devices and prevents accidental loss. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, connect a Magic Keyboard and press Globe plus Q to launch a QuickNote instantly. Once the QuickNote is open, capture content quickly. Type text, sketch with Apple Pencil, paste a photo, or drop a link from Safari. You can also use the share sheet in any app. Tap Share, choose Notes, then pick QuickNote to append content. Make sure to add a folder and tags like #work or #ideas while the note is open. That makes retrieval fast. As you add items, think about a single short title and 1 or 2 tags so your note stays searchable and tidy. To finish, tap Done or swipe the QuickNote away. Your content saves automatically. Once done, open the Notes app and look under the QuickNotes folder or use search to locate it by title or tag. If a QuickNote seems missing, make sure iCloud for Notes is enabled, check your network connection, and verify you have enough device storage. Syncing issues often cause gaps. If problems persist, restart the device and toggle Notes in iCloud off then on to force a resync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.